What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Moondrop Chu II High Performance Edition, one of the most talked about budget Iems right now. If you're into clean tuning, metal build quality, and insane for value of the price, this one might surprise you. So let's get into it. Right away, package is minimal. Very clean, Moondrop style. On the front, we have the artwork. It's very clean, very cool. Panda in the basket. Looking like, did I forget the eggs or the milk? No? Anyways, working around the box, you can find the basic specs on the back, as well as the branding. Nothing too flashy, but it already gives that premium and audiophile vibe. All right, let's just break the seal and open this up. First thing you notice is everything's pretty much laid out. No wasted space, no clutter. Package well, very tight. We're giving pamphlet, warranty, as well as other the company cards of how to use them, and some more artwork showing indications of how to fit them properly. Informational. Nice. Moondrop designated case. Now, with this packaging, it does not include the converter in case you want that Type-C adapter. You will have to get that separately from these headphones. You're also given different ear cushions. Looks to me about large, small variations, and perhaps medium. Great they included different sizing for your ear cushions. Most of the brands don't include this much. It's nice. The Iems themselves. Now, and here we go. These are the Moondrop Chu II themselves. They feature a full metal shell, which is honestly pretty impressive at this price point. Feels solid, cool to the touch, and way more premium than you expect. Now, the detachable cable. It's a huge upgrade from the original shoe. Multiple sets of ear tips as well, so you can find that perfect seal, as well as that usual Moondrop documentation. Plus that cool artwork too. It's pretty cool. Now, time to attach the cable. Feels pretty flexible, clean, no stiffness, no cheap plastic fill. If you're planning to upgrade cables later, makes it super easy. Just well, from the unboxing alone, this feels well thought out. The metal shells, compact size, and detachable cable make it a very solid everyday IEM, especially just like those basin IEMs. Very similar, listening to music, gaming, or monitoring audio. Now, this was just the unboxing. I'll be testing out with different genres and sources to see if they actually perform well in these different scenarios. If you want a full sound test and review, make sure you're subscribed. That's been the Moondrop Chu II high performance unboxing. Drop a comment if you tried these already. And if you want some comparisons, we have those in mind too. Thanks for watching. All right. Peace.